Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Video. Hey, video. Hey. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Avrel. If you are new, this is home with a Naturalista. We gon' show. Y'all, so I am back with another video finally, and this video is once again a little different from what I usually do. I have a few videos on my channel that includes, I think I did a few decorate with me. I'm not sure, or did it clean with me? I'm not too sure, but in this video I am actually going to do a decorate with me. It is cold, the weather is changing, fall is here. I went ahead and had my pumpkin spice latte coffee this morning, as you've seen early in the video. And just to get myself riled up. It's about 10 o'clock. This is something I've been putting off for a few days, but I've realized fall is really coming. The leaves are changing and all that good stuff. Sweaters are coming out, Uggs are coming out. Can I just let y'all know fall is my favorite season. So as you can see behind me, I actually have all my autumn / fall decor for the house. Right now it is still under the spring. I will go ahead and input a video to show you what it is looking like right now. But I went ahead and got a few things from Hobby Lobby, as well as Marshall's, as well as Home Goods yesterday. Just a few things, because as you can see, I have 4 bins worth of decor behind me. So what better way to go ahead and turn the camera on and record? I will not be talking after this. You're just going to go ahead and see each part of the house that I'm going to change, how I'm going to put together some things that I have an idea for, and then I will show you the finale. But for the most part, this is going to be it. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys and welcome you guys to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, go ahead and check out my other videos. I have tons more, and I have some new subscribers as well. Welcome guys, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click that notification bell that's right next to that whenever a new upload is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Go ahead and like this video. I can definitely, decorate with me is usually for every season, so it's not going to be as consistent with what I can do, but go ahead and like this video anyway. Let me know that I'm not wasting my time with this, but I do enjoy decorating my house for sure, depending on the season. It's just such a warm, cozy time of year, and I want my house to feel that way. And stop wasting all this time and start this video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy. Peace.